In this video, I was trying to race with a Le Mans hypercar, but when I'm in the middle race, I found something bad in this track and I think Moses should prevent it. Here is the bad thing in this track. Watch carefully. Did you see that? I will reply this video. Look at all of the suspension. I think the surface of this track is a section that will cause our car cannot go too fast at that point. And maybe it would be better if Olzes upgraded the track. Or Olzes will leave the track, as it is so that players who like automotive sports will move to CPN2. And Olzes will ban all of the Game Guardian things in CPN2 so that all of Game Guardian users will stay at original CPN. So Olzes will like to update CPN2 more because all of the players in there are original players. It's just my opinion, but I think it's maybe true. Whatever, make sure to subscribe this channel.